Hello and welcome at MEN at the Enforce Tac show. My name is Heinrich Böse, I'm the product manager, and I want to show you a few new cartridges we present here today. I want to start with the 300 Blackout Subsonic QD. That's a lead-free deformation bullet. We have designed it for barrel length between 9 and 12 inch, and it works quite perfect. Then I want to present you a second deformation round, subsonic deformation round, the 9mm by 19 subsonic QD. Here we have a bonded ejected bullet. And a third cartridge I want to show you the 9mm by 19 MCP 2.0. That's a special bonded bullet in the supersonic area designed for law enforcement, and the cartridge fulfills the FBI test protocol.